Hello, this is Danny from T&D Productions. On this channel, we talk about all sorts of expats, digital nomads, military, ESL teachers, etc. All of these can have one thing in common. They can all be ugly. When I say ugly, I don't mean looks, I mean attitude. And you can too. In this video, I will discuss the things that you can do to join the UGLY expat community. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Share this with friends to get more views. Well, enough of me rambling about the channel. Let's get ugly. Resist learning anything about your country's culture. Nothing is as rude as an expat who dismisses the culture of a place. Walk around an Asian house with your shoes on. Talk with your mouth full. Be like Ozzy at the Alamo.
And I wanted to take a peek. So I found this old wall. I thought it was an old alleyway, and I tried to pee.
So he just lifted his dress and took a piss. And of course, after that, he was banned from San Antonio.
Tell people that your culture is better. Do whatever you can to show that you don't care about their culture. This will keep you from being invited to social gatherings again. Be a drunk if it's possible in the country you're in. Drink. Nothing is more appealing than seeing an expat who has to hold on to the grass to keep from falling from the face of the earth. Need to throw up? No problem. There will always be a native there with an open lap. If you have problems, drink them all away. Remember, you're desirable. Exploit it. Many people know that foreigners are a hot commodity. Just because you are older, sagging in places, or have a little more wrinkles than your younger counterparts, doesn't mean you are not hot stuff. Make advances to members of the native population. They may all call you creepy, but you know it's only teasing. When they reject you, double down. They're only playing hard to get. Refuse to eat the local cuisine. They eat what? Gross. You will not eat that.
What? You will not eating?
I've bugs for lunch.
Stick with your own country's food. It may be a little bit more expensive, but your palate will remain closed to new tastes. Always tell people how cheap the food, clothing, admission tickets, or whatever other merchandise is, and it's way more expensive in your country. Boast about how rich you are there. Buy things because they're cheap and talk about how expensive it is in your country. Everybody will see that you are rich. The Middle East is a conservative area where you're expected to dress conservatively. Who cares? You're not from there. Dress how you like. Don't worry about offending the locals.
How dare you!
They're just too much into their own culture. This is always a surefire bet to put you on the UGLY expat list. You don't like the leader, policies, or laws? Be vocal about it. Tell everyone you know. To put a little sugar on top, tell them how it's better in your country. You're basically a diplomat.
Diplomatic community.
You have immunity from laws. It's only illegal for other people, not for expats. You can run red lights, jaywalk, be drunk in public, anything. You are an expat. The laws don't apply to you.
I never broke the law. I am the law.
Make a list with other UGLY expats and see who can break the most laws. Wager bets. Even though gambling could be illegal, not for you and your partners. Don't learn the language. You don't need to. You are spending so much cash in the country. They should cater to you. They should learn your language. They owe you at least that much. An expat new to the country needs to learn the ropes. If you are a veteran, let him or her learn on their own. Make fun of their stupid newbie questions on social media. Don't help them. It's sink or swim. It will be free entertainment for you to watch them fail. This is also a way not to make new friends. Speaking of friends, only spend time with other expats with your same mindset. You can easily help each other become uglier. You can all complain and whine together. Everyone knows misery loves company. Well, those are some tips to become an ugly expat. As you probably can realize, this video is really tongue-in-cheek. In reality, the ugly expat is the worst kind of expat there is. In my 13 years of expat life, I have witnessed all of these behaviors in foreigners. This list is sort of Frankenstein's monster of a typical ugly expat. Can you think of any ways to be an ugly expat? Let us know by commenting. Also, if you found this amusing, please leave a like on this video to show the ugly algorithm that our content is worthy to be shared to the masses. Also subscribe for more expat content like this. As always, this is a non-ugly expat Danny saying, may the force live long and prosper with you until all are one. Thanks for watching.